Kartel brings the vibes. Hi, I'm Debbie. PNP rolls out promises and Vybz Kartel at their party conference. The comrades pulling out all the stops as they turn up the heat on the ruling JLP in the lead up to the next general election.
Comrades of flutter, orange everywhere at the National Arena Sunday last. People's National Party bigwigs feeling optimistic thanks to polls putting the opposition ahead of the ruling JLP. Among the electorate's pressing concerns per the pollsters, crime and corruption. The same issues many blame the PNP for failing to tackle when it was in power.
My wonder!
But the party faithful counting on their leader Mark Golding and his nice guy appeal to win back support after voters deserted the PNP in droves at the last general election, which had one of the lowest turnouts ever in Jamaican political history. So this time around, can Comrade Mark turn the tide?
I'm a little calm, nice, humble man.
Or is Bro God here to stay?
And your oldness, he only want eye color. You have to have money for in a Andrew Oldness leave.
Why, Mark, honest enough? Him not come for digging up.
But you know, when the PNP were in power, they did their share of digging too.
I don't know. Even if them did that dig, them not dig like how them dig. You know, see Nigel, them run gun.
So what's the big difference between Mark and Andrew?
First thing, we have somebody that coming in the politics that not looking something to scrape. He come in as a wealthy man. He don't want to get rich off of Jamaica people.
What are people worried or concerned about?
The crime. We don't safe again. And the economy, what they're talking about, the regular man on the street not feeling it. The economy not benefiting the poor people, none at all.
But people are accusing the JLP of corruption, but we know that the PNP also have a track record in corruption. So how are things going to be any different?
Judge with no. Don't judge with them. We have somebody get involved in a light bulb situation. We get everybody who do something wrong in our thing, we move them. They still support us, but from far. We don't have them in a leading position again. So why we cannot move them people here? We are enrich off of Jamaican poor people. You know how much we are suffering, my boss?
Happily though, not too broke to give for a good cause.
I'm raising money for Renicia Bernard. I hope she will be the next Rising Star winner. And she's from Hanover.
Tough for this lady to get around, but the stakes come the next election too high to stay at home.
Andrew is for the rich and Mark is for the poor. Andrew only cater for the rich, he don't cater for the poor.
What's big on your agenda as a voter? What matters to you most?
What matters to me most is to get rid of Andrew. Get rid of Andrew Oldness completely. I live in Andrew Oldness constituency. I will need to get rid of him completely because I'm not doing nothing.
I'm worried about the crime in Jamaica. Because Andrew Oldness is tell with that. We're going to sleep with our door open. And now we have to buy extra grill, extra padlock to go to our bed.
You think crime is mixed up with politics in Jamaica?
100% mixed up in politics.
Isn't that also on the PNP?
Me don't know about that.
This crowd can't wait to give the government its marching orders, and their leaders pulling out all the stops to grab the spotlight. From currying favor with the boss of the Maroons to drumming up support from that other alternate reality, Gaza Nation. Vybz Kartel putting the party in conference. Post-acquittal Kartel dropping hints when he strolled out of GP, face wrapped in an orange bandana. But confirmation Sunday when he hit the stage at the National Arena. An appearance only. His lawyer and PNP member Isaac Buchanan did all the talking. But Kartel's presence enough to convey and elicit what the comrades wanted: star power and excitement. Behind the scenes, however, the world boss more low-key.
An important election coming up. Are you declaring for the PNP?
No, I understand declare for the PNP. I want a vote, so you don't know. I want comrade, you see me? I've been voting for years.
So you're encouraging your fans to go out there and vote?
No. I encourage the PNP to come out and vote. Because remember, we have fans from all parties. We have Labour Right fans, we have PNP fans. So we encourage the PNP to come out and vote.
Do you think you're alienating some of your fans who are pro-JLP? You know things are partisan in Jamaica.
Yeah, but no, I want Gaza. A Gaza regardless. You know them here there? Yeah, man, a Gaza regardless. So everybody know cartel political persuasion and them have to just work with it. That means are real Gaza fans, no? Oh.
Obviously the crowd is going to be ecstatic, but how do you think the rest of Jamaica is going to receive you and receive your appearance at the PNP conference?
I mean, I can't speak for the rest of Jamaica because I'm not psychic. But you know, we just come to represent for our people them at this time politically. And you know, the vibes is nice, so I just say a thing there.
Politically, what would you change about Jamaica right now? What bothers you, what disturbs you?
No, what bothers me and what disturbs me are the same sentiment the people them are the writers are share. That's why I'm here. So Mr. Golden will make it clear.
Me have me one opinion, no need your internet, I cost me about, me feature. Let go me t-shirt.
The PNP massive not looking a gift Kartel in the mouth.
Well, if Kartel show up in my show, you say at the right side him depend, you know. Because PNP make him free, you know. And we run out Paul Alwell and make him free, you know.
But you talk about Kartel, me represent. Gaza, man. One thing. But Kartel is a very bright person, so you don't need nobody to lead him.
Mark Golding may be not to politics born, but seeming more comfortable in the limelight as party leader, bridging dodgy past and hopeful future. He fired up his crowd and promised real change. They lapped it up. The newly buoyant PNP, however, will also have to win over fence-sitters and many who sat out the last one, turned off by business as usual on both sides.
There is a perception in the Jamaican political arena that politics is an invitation to plunder. How is Mark Golding going to change that perception?
All right, the perception. I don't have authority to speak for him, but guess what? When you have, you don't need to take. Just that's what you need to understand. That is the big difference.
Are you asking Jamaicans to forget the PNP's track record of corruption and scandal?
I'm going to tell you what I'm asking the Jamaicans to do. Vote for your life. Vote for your children.
We live it every day. And just say when you're going to the supermarket, your basket are going to be XYZ. And when you're going to the supermarket, 5 items only can buy with 1 money. When the 1 money used to give it 4 items. So we all live it.
Kartel showed up today on stage at the PNP conference. Was that a good look for the PNP?
For sure, Andrew said, them tell Kartel don't come out, come sell no product. But Kartel, they are PNP meeting, so Andrew can know say a PNP Kartel sell right now. So it's gone again. Gaza nation to the world.
The PNP shrugging off any fallout from Kartel at the conference and betting that, like his change of fortune, better luck will come their way too in 2025.
Vybz Kartel visited St. Vincent in August for medical attention. Rumors circulated that the DJ also sought Vincentian citizenship. Rumors that he hasn't put to rest.
Is Vybz Kartel a Vincentian citizen?
No comment. Big up St. Vincent though.
Where did you go and what happened?
Well, we got St. Vincent and the results are amazing, you know what I mean? We feel better, we look better. I mean, we're still not getting a tip-top shape yet, but we're getting there, you know what I mean? The equilibrium is coming. Yeah, so big up the St. Vincentian medical staff, big up the Prime Minister as well, Mr. Gonzalez, and big up Candyman, whole St. Vincent.
And you know, ahead of your show coming up in December, people are citing really astronomical figures like $4 million US. Is that exaggerated?
No comment.